Hey friends, it's Mrs. Murphy. It's time for math. Now that you've become experts on 3D or solid shapes, let's talk about how you can build with them. Check out this house I've been working on. I use 3D shapes to make it look like a house. You can do that too. Now the materials I chose to use were blocks, but if you have items around your house that are the 3D shape, you can put those together to make whatever your imagination comes up with. In today's lesson, we're going to see different things you can make with 3D shapes.
How can you combine 3D shapes to make other 3D shapes? Let's find out. How would you describe the shape Jackson built?
Do you see a cube? Me too. How did he make that cube? You're right, with other smaller cubes.
It is a cube. How many small cubes did Jackson use to build the large cube?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then there's one you can't see. That makes 8.
He used 8 small cubes. Does the picture show all 8 of the small cubes?
Like I said, we can't see that last one that's hiding. There's one cube you cannot see.
No, it only shows 7 cubes because one of them is hidden in the back. You can build a 3D shape using craft sticks and clay. This is the frame of a building. It only has edges. What shape could you use to help count the edges? You could use a cube. When you were building this cube, what 2D shape did you make first?
To answer that question, we need to think about what 2D shape is represented on the face. That's a square.
You made a square first because each flat surface of the cube is a square. What solid figures did you use to make this shape?
What is this one? It's a cylinder. What about the one on top? It's a cone.
You used a cylinder and a cone to make the shape. Why is the cylinder turned this way?
What do you think would happen if it was turned any other way? It would fall off. This is the only way it can sit if it wants to stack.
The cylinder is turned so that the cone can be stacked on top of its flat surface. What would happen if the cylinder were turned onto its side? You wouldn't be able to stack the cone on top.
Now you know how to combine 3D shapes to make other 3D shapes.
And that's it. And don't worry if you don't have the same supplies. Remember, all you need to do is find 3D shapes that you can work with. I'll see you next time.